Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add funds on OnlyFans in a quick and simple way. So, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to the OnlyFans website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are in, click on your profile icon at the top left corner and select your cards from the drop-down menu. Here, click on Add a new card and you will see the option to enter your credit card or debit card details. Fill in the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and billing address. After entering the information, click Submit to link it to your account. Now your card is added and ready to use for adding funds or making purchases. Now, go to any creator's page where you want to subscribe or tip. When you click subscribe or send tip, the amount will be deducted from your saved card. The funds are charged directly during the transaction. And that's it. Now you know how to add funds on OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.